Okay. So this is the clue words in translating phrases. Can you read, Elijah, some words that belong to addition? We have,
Tom plus both and added to increase by.
okay, increase by. So if you see this word, it means you're going to add the numbers, okay? And then how about the subtraction? Can you please read, Luis? The words belong to subtraction. Luis? The words belong to subtraction.
Sum,
Subtraction po, subtraction.
minus, subtraction, sum, difference of less than, decrease by less.
Okay, the order is important. And in multiplication, Gali,
Product twice times multiplied by of.
okay, how about division? Rain, division. What are the words belong to division?
Divide.
Divided by? Saan na si Rain? We have divided by quotient, ratio, and then divided into. Let's see nga kung natandaan. Let's see kung natandaan natin. Basahin ulit and then please read it again and then I'm going to ask the question. Okay, read what's on the screen and remember. Done? Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
what is the first addition?
We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then the words under addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions, if you see them, kapag nakita nyo sila is, you're going to identify kung alin dun sa apat na, you're going to identify which sa apat yung gagamitin nyo. Okay? Let's start.
Okay.
When I say sum, it belongs to, sum belongs to where? Francine. Sum. It's belong to addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Sum. Francine?
Multiplication?
Sum. How about you, Luis? When you read the word sum, it belongs to Luis, sum.
Addition.
Addition. How about divide? Divided by. Marcus, divided by.
Divided by.
It belongs to division. Very good. Next, how about times? Elijah, times.
Product twice times multiplied by of.
Saan siya belong? Where it belongs?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. How about less than? Zaira, it belongs to less than.
Minus, minus.
Minus. So it belongs to, minus and less than belongs to addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division.
Minus. Subtraction.
Subtraction. How about increase? Rain, increase. Increase. Saan siya belong yung rain? Increase. Nadagdagan. Yes. Gali. Increase.
Addition. Sum.
Addition. Addition. Increase.
Addition.
Okay. How about more than? Adj. How about the more than words? It belongs to
Addition.
addition. Okay, correct.
Addition.
How about naman ang decrease? Francine, decrease. Decrease, Francine. The word belongs to decrease. It belongs to subtraction. Okay. Alam na? Do you know na? Let's try. Okay, get your NB3. NB3. 3 times the quotient of 50 and 5. You write it into numerical. You write it into numerical.
Teacher.
Yes po.
Teacher, what is with yeah?
Hmm?
What is
Okay, let's identify the clue words here muna. Mute kita, Christina. Wait lang. Let's identify the clue words. We have times and quotient. Times, it belongs to times. Where it is belong, the times. Belongs to sa
Multiplication.
multiplication. How about the quotient? It belongs to
Division.
division. So how are you going to write this? 3 times the quotient of 50 and 5. Three times the quotient of 50 and 5. Who wants to answer? Let me see. Let me see.
Me.
Okay, let's try. 3 times the quotient of 50 and
teacher? What is your chocolate? What is
oh, let's answer. Let's answer. Okay, the answer here is 3. We have 3. We're going to write 3 and then times here, oh. And then the quotient, which is divide by 50 and 5. Okay, you're going to write it like the number words. I know the order is important. 3 times. Here, the quotient of 50 and 5. Question? Do you have any question?
No.
No. Okay, you can type your
No.
answer sa ano. You can type your answer in chat box. In the chat box. So I can see your answer.
Wait.
Yes po, Marcus.
Teacher, put 50 divided by 5, 85. Parentheses.
Hmm? Ano po? Nasaan na si Marcus?
Put 50 divided by 5 inside the parentheses. Teacher,
Parentheses, yes. We're going to put parentheses. You can put parentheses dito, oh. Pero hindi ko lang siya dito nilagyan. Pero pwede siyang lagyan ng parentheses po. Okay, let's try another. The difference of 70 and 20 is equal to 50.
50.
Ayan. The difference. What is the clue word here? Difference. The difference word belongs to what? It belongs to subtraction. You can subtraction. Okay, you can write your answer in the chat box. And then another clue word here is equal. Okay. How about the others? The difference of 70 and 20 is equal to 50.
I'm done.
You can type your answer, Luis, in the chat box po.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, tomorrow do we have math
Hmm?
or no? Do we have math?
Mat po tayo ngayon.
But tomorrow,
Tomorrow. At
what
wait lang.
is it? Is it math or Helen?
Wala po kayong math tomorrow.
Oh. Teacher, we will cannot check this.
Hmm?
This one. This.
I can't understand the
Yung
first thing.
Teacher, yung steps.
Steps in. You chat me na lang Thursday na.
Okay.
Okay. So the answer here is 70 minus 20 is equal to 50. So this is the numerical sentence of this one. How about this? The sum of 500 and 400 divide by 9. Done na? Francine, nakakasunod po, Francine.
Teacher, tapos na po.
Okay, you can write your answer in the chat box so I can see. Okay. Francine, nakakasunod po. Anong question mo po, Francine? Yes po.
Teacher, will say stand.
Ha?
Teacher, will say I join late.
This is recorded naman, Christine. You can watch this again later. Okay? I will upload this in LMS po. Pero in this activity, Francine, you're going to write it like number words. In here, we're translating the number words to numerical, to the numbers, okay? What is the answer here? Oh. Okay lang yun. Okay, tama po si Marcus.
Teacher, Francis says she got glitch from the Zoom. So she joined late.
Baka mahina lang ang internet po. Okay, so the answer here is 500 plus 900 divided by 9. This one, we have the sum. The sum represent the addition. That's why we have addition sign here. And then 500. And then 400.
Teacher,
Po. And
I have something to tell you. Do we
later,
have homework?
later na po, Christine. Later na po. And then, makinig mo na. And then we have divide and other keywords here. That's why we have the division sign here. And then 9. Okay. In writing numerical from a number sentence, the order is important. Okay. We're going to give the first phrase muna and then the second. Let's try another one. Ay, may sagot na ito. Okay, let's try on your notebook. The product of 32 and 7, number 1 and number 2. The difference of 110 divided by 10. And the number 3, 6 multiplied by 100 and divide by 60. After you finish answering, you're going to write your answer in the chat box po. Done na po. Number ano ka na, Luis?
I'm on number 3.
Okay. How about you, Christine?
Teacher, I'm on number 3 then. Teacher, I got to pee.
Okay po. Done? Zara, are you done?
Not yet.
What number na? O, last 5 minutes na lang tayo. How about you, Gali? Are you done, Gali? How about you, Gali? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, let's answer na. It's already 10:35. Okay, number 1, the product of 32 and 7. What is the answer here? The answer here is 32 times 7. Product, it represents the multiplication and the number 32 and 7. Number 2, the clue word here is difference and then divide. So the difference of 100 and 10 divide by 10. Okay. And then number 3, 6 multiply by 100 and divide by 60. 6 multiply by 100, this is 1. Divide, the word here is multiply and then divide. So we have the multiplication sign and then the division sign. Okay, who got 3? Who got 3? Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you learn. Yes, Rain? Do you have any questions? Wala na. If you don't have any questions, let's end our lesson for today. Goodbye. See you on Friday.
Bye, 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 bye,
Thursday.
bye, 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 bye,
Bye-bye.
bye, 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 bye.